Hi, this is Dr. Caruso. In this tutorial, you will learn how to complete part 3 of your scripted lesson plan template for your 1-hour unit of instruction. In this section, you will allocate a time in minutes for each objective or event of learning. So I've done that here. I've consulted a source. Chapter 4, page 45 goes over how to really determine how much time you should spend on various objectives. And remember that each of these objectives or events of learning have their own set of goals that you have for this event to occur. And you've already established that through the activities that you have designated and also the reference materials. So you are going to script out things. So you're going to add the notes to the instructor on how to conduct the activities that you have planned. And if you want the instructor to say something, remember you're going to put those, in my case, I've indicated that they will be in italics and quotes. So you've already done this column and you've done this column above. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the activities, the session starters, and I'm just going to copy those from part 2 so that I know which ones I have chosen. I'm going to put them as the activities here. So I have them all laid out, and I'm going to do the same thing for the reference materials because I've already chosen all of the reference materials. And here they are for these 9 events. And again, I'm going to paste them here. And so now my job is to actually tell the instructor who will be delivering this 1-hour unit of instruction exactly what to do for these activities. So my session starter, I actually have to decide upon a question and then give some direction on what the discussion should look like. So here I have put in quotations and italics the question that the instructor should ask. How does a surgical mask prevent the spread of germs? And then I give some direction on how to conduct the session starter. The projected visual will show a group of individuals who are coughing and sneezing and visibly ill. They are not wearing surgical masks. Allow the learners to answer the questions and discuss among themselves. Then say, let's take a look at what this training is all about. So for the next event of learning, I already have here that it's going to be a presentation. In quotations and italics is what the instructor should say. And then it has a little directive about the projected visual. For the next event, the same thing. It says what the activity is, gives some verbiage on what the instructor should say, and then actually how the activity should or the discussion should be handled. Same thing for this event. Provide learning guidance. Has some script here of what the instructor should say. Notice that there is a time allocation and the media or the reference material is clearly stated. For the role play, it instructs the instructor what to do, distribute the handout and allow time for the learners to thoroughly read it, put them in groups, following the role play, ask for their reactions. Then for provide feedback, it specifically tells the instructor what to say and what to do. Assess performance, some directives here as well. And finally, the last event, thank you for participating in this training. Good luck with your volunteering. Please take a job aid with you to ensure that you are properly wearing your surgical masks. And that is what you would do for this last part of the scripted lesson plan. I'm going to take away the instructions here. I don't need these anymore. Clean it up a little bit. And now my part 3 is ready for the assignment submission folder on Desire to Learn. In this tutorial, you have learned how to complete part 3 of your scripted lesson plan template for the 1-hour unit of instruction. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.